Science welcomes you to the virtual career guidance session as a chartered accountant in association with Western India Regional Council, Institute of Company Secretaries of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. This is the first event of our newly formed Center of Commerce Lab. This center is formed with the aim of developing entrepreneurship as well as professional abilities among the students. Also to have practical application of knowledge gained through the theory. I request our principal, Dr. Gajanan Vade, to address the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Kiran. Good afternoon, all. On behalf of Pillars College of Arts, Science, Commerce, I welcome today's resource person, CA Arpit Kabra, CA Sanjay Kandari, in this virtual counseling session. Pillars College of Arts, Science, Commerce is run by its parents' body, Mahatma Education Society, who manages over 48 institutions, more than 40,000 students, and 3,500 plus staff under the great leadership of our visionary founder chairman Dr. K.M. Vasudevan Pillai sir, our secretary Dr. Dapni Pillai madam, and our CEO Dr. Priyam Pillai sir, deputy CEO Mr. Pranav Pillai sir. The vision of our college is education for all. Currently, under this vision, our institution is running more than 8 UG, 3 PG, and 3 PhD programs. Our college is permanently affiliated to the University of Mumbai and have received 2 F12B status from University Grants Commission. Our college also have received Best College Award from University of Mumbai. Similarly, the prestigious ET Now Award, which is given for the Outstanding Institute from Economic Times Group. NAC have accredited our college with A grade in 3 consecutive cycles. Pillars College also received ISO 9001-2015 certification to ENMARC, quality standards in education sector. From the academic year 2019-20, our college has received autonomous status from University Grants Commission for academic excellence to enhance employment quotient and industry linkages. Today's webinar is virtual career counseling session where our resource person, CA Sanjay Kandari and CA Arpit Kabra are really pathfinders to all our students in their academic careers. I assure that this webinar will enrich today's participant as a navigator, as a pathfinder to their academic endeavors. My best wishes for today's webinar. Thank you all for your patient listening. Thank you once again. Thank you. Over to you, Kiran.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the motivational speech. Now we request our guest of the session, CA Arpit Kabra. Sir is a CA and a CS. Sir has worked as a national head forensic and stress asset advisory services at JC Kabra and Associates, Chartered Accountants. Sir has various achievements to his credit. Sir has conducted over 80,000 man-hours of training for young CA and CA students on the topics including technology, soft skills, forensic and opportunities for CAs, conducted over 300 sessions of management training for the students and professionals, also has conducted over 100 coaching career counseling sessions for colleges. Sir has conducted various trainings on forensic and investigation across the country during the lockdown period. Various achievements are there. Sir has also worked as a secretary of WIRC, chairman of Digital Accounting and Assurance Board, chairman of Career Counseling Committee, vice chairman of Executive Committee, Editorial Committee, and MCS coordination of committees. It's pleasure to have you, sir, with us. I request you to say a few words on this occasion. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. The first thing on a virtual webinar that we have to do is, am I audible? And request all of you to be on mute so that, we respect the time, we respect the initiative that has been taken by this wonderful institution. And we also hope that today, by staying quiet, by staying in silence, if we could make sense of anything that has been said today, because I truly believe it is only by silence can one make sense. And this webinar, therefore, I really hope at the start that, as sir mentioned, respected principal chartered accountant Gajananji and the visionary founder KM Vasudeva Pillai sir. I think 40,000 students, 48 institutes. It's no joke. It's absolutely visionary. It's absolutely wonderful. Believe me, when all of us are talking about this, imagine our own family. One person runs our family the way they can do in the best manner. And in that space, when we have people like Pillai sir and the entire legacy that he has created for so big institute, I think that is overwhelming, and we all should really every day think of this as an inspiration and encouragement for all of us to reach that place. Because if we think, probably we could do a little bit till that space. I think Gajananji, our faculty, Sanjay sir, a very, very strong, eminent practicing chartered accountant and a passionate chartered accountant who can talk about career opportunities that are available. And when you have chosen commerce, how can you get an edge by being a chartered accountant? I think that is what Sanjay sir would definitely guide you. And Dr. Kiran madam, thank you for giving us this opportunity. We are really thankful to this wonderful institute, this college of who has thought of setting this platform and inviting WIRC. Friends, WIRC is the Western India Regional Council of ICI. ICI is the Chartered Accountant Institute, which is set up under the Act of Parliament. We were given Republic. Our Charter of Republic came in the year 1950, 26 January. That is what we celebrate Republic Day, right? The Chartered Accountants Act was passed in 1949. So you can imagine, before we could become Republic, before we could get our charter, it was a CA which was set up before that. Think about the importance of this profession. Think about the enormous responsibility that chartered accountants have. And believe me, we are very few. And therefore, everyone needs us. And therefore, everyone looks up to us for everything, not only in finance, but also socially, and also responsibly as a very, very important agent to drive economic reforms in this country, right? Gajananji mentioned two very important words, navigator and pathfinder. Believe me, friends, all of you who have chosen chartered accountancy today, who have chosen commerce today, you have a very good opportunity to select something that can really make your career or that can make you shine outright. Today, when Kiran madam was introducing me, of course, it was overwhelming because the warmth that she had in introducing me and all of these accomplishments at such a young age, if I can have, I totally attribute it to these two alphabets, that is C and A. If not for this, we wouldn't have got this platform. And not only this feeling is not only shared by me, but it is shared by almost so many of us who have achieved really something in their lives than just setting up a career or getting a job. And believe me, today you all are witnessing what we call as a Silicon Valley moment. Today, none of us are going into the traditional, traditional businesses or traditional practices into doing sitting at on the shop